Man, listen, y'all. We just got caught in a hailstorm. The worst hailstorm ever, man. Check it out. I want y'all to check it out, man. Look. Look at that, man. Bruh, we was getting hit by this. We was getting hit by this. Man. Woo! Yo, crazy, man. We got caught in the worst storm ever.
Bro, it hurt so bad.
Yeah, let's get it, Tone. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Yeah.
You know how to ride.
It's so with it. We might not see Tone for another 30 minutes, man. Tone gone, man.
You got that look right now. Give him a few minutes on it. You're gonna be doing 360.
Yeah.
Tell the girls come out here. I want to see them riding.
All right.
Yeah.
I think that's a power source.
No, it ain't. Hold on. It gets more power. See this right here? See this right here, Mel? See this right with this? You unscrew this. You push this in. It's on the car. You unscrew this. And give you more power. But he said you got a little more power. Just turn down a little bit. Okay. I'll let everybody try it out here. Then once they think they got, you can adjust the power. It's gonna just make you go a little faster. That's all. Right.
This thing take power. Load it up.
It's only a 250. I'll tell you the one thing you can trade. It was a 450. This small. The 450 was out. Come in.
It's a little slower than this one.
No, the 450 more power. That's a 1,000. That thing they go 80 miles an hour.
This is what you're not in?
80 miles an hour.
This thing pick up, man.
The trails are open up to like 9. I'm trying to get them to see right there. Them do nice. I thought they gonna have some bad, but them 1,000s over there. Them at work. Them 1,000.
I did. The kind we got at work. We got
Them
those Polaris at work.
Yeah, them run. They run. Yeah, that go 80.
But they got governors on them.
They got governors. Yeah, they probably put governors on it. That one ain't got no governor. I just bought that one. I know they got governors on them. But they still 1,000s though, so they got the same
But
power.
if you put your seatbelt on, when you riding them, they go faster.
Yeah, you got
about 15, 20 more miles per hour.
Yeah. Yep. Everything is brakes, Belia. Everything is brakes.
I don't know, man. I don't know. Over the hospital. I don't know, man.
Everything is brakes. You said that. That's your game.
Hey, easy.
When you turn it.
Oh, watch the trees. Live, but play with it. Leg on, man. Leg go. That's my leg. Let's go.
Stop, girl. Now don't hit me now.
That's right, Malia. Y'all be a little bold on there, Malia. Out here, y'all. Everybody on the wake up. We out here, though.
I was wondering what that was outside my window.
Yeah. You gotta go, Frank. Where your pockets at? Ty? Oh, let's go. Just go through there, turn around.
That's not a speaker, that's gotta give her a second, man.
That's all I want to know. We all chipping in today.
It takes a minute. It's a little nervous, you know.
She ain't driving no 4-wheeler. Y'all never roll on the city before?
Can I roll one before?
You roll one of
I don't know,
Put some
man.
gas on that thing, Kai. What you scared of? Put some gas
I
on
don't
that
know,
thing.
man. I don't know. She too pretty for it. Give her a helmet. Put a little mud on her. Go ahead, put a little mud on her face.
It takes a little minute. You gotta get loosened up.
It's a whole trail down there.
Old trail down there.
RJ, it's the old trail, man.
Fast, you going right there.
Quit playing with the Lovey, man. Let's go, Lovey.
I think road before he should know how to do it.
I'm not sure yet.
All right, look. It's the same thing. It's the same one you already had.
Can I ride with it, please?
Same one. That's the brake right here, and you brake on the foot right there. The foot right there. That's the brake. And this is both pieces of brake. All three of the brake. That's the gas.
Don't go too hard.
It's the same one. He drove the last one together. Okay, let's go, RJ.
Quit playing with RJ. Oh, and he threw up the deuces. Quit playing with the boy, man. What we talking about? What we talking about?
All right, Marquise, it's your turn.
RJ. We got RJ, man. Quit playing with the boy, man. Markiki, you ain't go yet? Okay, it's your Marquise.
Right. Them shoes, why y'all got on them shoes trying to ride?
Fancy, man. They got you fancy with them. Yeah, RJ.
Let Marquise.
All right, Marquise, let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah. Woo. Marquise got bold quick.
That's her way.
Right
She
in,
goes
huh?
fast. She like to go fast.
She got on her fancy shirt. Yeah.
Pajamas.
You gotta go fast with that shirt on. With the pajama shirt, with the silky.
The wind feels like in pajamas.
Yeah.
Is this their main office up here?
No, the main office is right there. We can go sign up and register.
Woo-hoo.
Okay, Marquise.
Put some dirt on it. Put some dirt on it, Marquise.
Wait.
Yeah.
Let's go around. Go around.
We told them the song. You get ready one for
Okay, because online.
This stop right here. Use the brakes and stop right here.
All right, we got Kasia on there. Let's go, Kasia. Let's go, Kasia. Yeah. Let's go, Kasia. Let's go, Kasia. Quit playing with him. Woo! Got Kasia, man. Quit playing with TJ, man. Quit playing with TJ. Let's go, T. Yeah. Quit playing with TJ,
Those are
man.
in the back of one of those to get to where we're going. You know what I mean? And, you know,
Yeah. We got TJ, man. Playing with him. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah.
Style loader, T. Style loader.
Hey, are you trying to do that? You sure?
Make it go fast.
Hold on. No, not right now. You gotta.
Hold on. Let Kasia come through.
I got 2 things.
All right, let's go, Kasia. Bring it in.
Yeah. You should have to go until that day.
Kasia got a little bow with it. Oh, let's go, Haley.
Okay, Haley.
Woo! Oh, no. Don't fall, Haley. Don't fall. She don't know how to stop. All right, we're at TJ. Yeah, let's go, T. Where we at, Haley? Yeah. All right, y'all, it's time for me to get on that boy. Check it out, y'all. Let's get it. weather good, man. Everything good. Everything all good, man. Woo!
You ready?
You ready? You ready? What?
I used to pray for times like this, to rhyme like this, so I had to rhyme like that, to shine like this, and no matter how time I spent, it's like back to the ready, ready, cut like this.
One of the things used to have a, it was supposed to have a thing that tells you. Go down the hill. Which one? They want to go that. Y'all want to go that way? Then look at this way. We want to go this way. Look.
Alright, let's get it. All right, y'all, we out here, man. We out here. We about to get busy. About to take y'all on a bumpy ride. You ready, Kasia?
Yeah.
All right, man. We finna get it, y'all. We finna get it. We about to get it, man.
Y'all ready to keep it moving, then? Hey, look at them eyes. Hey, there them eyes. Go, look. Put them glasses on, man.
I got nothing on my mouth. I got plastic bag. I'm just trying to get up there.
Y'all ready?
What? Hey, this trail crazy, man. Crazy. It's crazy. Steep hills. It's bumpy out here. Man, check it out, man. Look at the drip. Look at the drip. Look at the drip.
Y'all don't have no respect for people wearing glasses. Me and my baby trying to clean our glasses off, and y'all going so fast. We got so much dust.
We got lost.
What
Take them down. You guys are coming to get bandanas and clean up a little bit.
Look at your face. Oh my God.
Eating
Look at our hair.
Man.
Terry, turn the corner.
Yeah, you do have to come up and just come up here real slow. Hold on. We got the horses to scare them and everything.
Appreciate it.
Glad you guys are enjoying it.
I have to push mine all the way up there. Give me your face.
I'm trying to get y'all music to it. That's what I want.
You got me.
I got you, yeah.
I'm done.
You done?
Woo. Y'all win. Man, that's something else. That dust is something else.
Yeah, man.
Dang, bro.
Our music stopped working. Or this whole screen stopped working, should I say.
Oh, and then I know he has still one of them. One win don't have to.
Yeah, man.
Over for me, baby. Lovey can't.
Over for Lovey. Man, ain't nothing but dirt, man. Dirt, dust. That's all it is, man. It's like a dirt storm out there.
We gotta put y'all in the safe. Y'all gotta put me in the car.
Woo! You gotta keep your mouth closed or you eat dirt.
I was tasting dirt through my mask right now.
What happened?
I was tasting dirt through the mask.
Yeah, man.
It was hard to put y'all cheeks down.
Y'all
All I had
got
to do is this the whole time. Oh my God!
Yeah.
It's Rico and Terry want to play race games. Right. They all want to race doing this stuff. Terry want to be.
They want to burn out, man. We beyond them.
Hold on. Terry want to do donuts on the car. That's why I got a war. I gotta wash my hair.
Man.
I want to drive. Let's go.
All right, man.
We about to get in this.
No.
Y'all get another one?
Yeah, I'm getting in.
Yeah, we gotta go. I think I gotta try this one, man. Kai wanna drive? All right, so how you think Kai did with the driving?
Huh? God.
Yeah, how she do?
I think she did good.
She did good. She
What
did
y'all
good.
gotta say? Listen. Him? I heard Kai screaming. She said, help! Him and her? Them the scariest passengers I ever
Oh, we got.
We need her to exercise caution.
We got. No. We got $1,500 on the line. And
They're like, oh my God. She was rapping. Go slow. We just need her to exercise caution. She wanted to go down that steep hill just
no,
down.
I don't care about that.
Did y'all see the deer dash out?
Yeah, we got to flash one in. All right, man. Your boy about to get it in. I'm in charge of this thing. Me and Haley, we about to get it in. You know what I'm saying? What we got? You got your glasses?
Yeah.
You got your helmet?
Yeah.
All right, let's get it, man. My helmet on, Haley.
Put your seatbelt on, Buzz.
I know.
Gotta put the safety glasses on.
Everybody need to clean their glasses?
They finna get dirty again.
What y'all wanna do? Y'all wanna race? Down there. The horses.
They make no new trails. They want existing trails. thunder and lightning.
Alright.
What you say?
That ain't no trail though down there.
No, we need to stay on the main trail.
Where the?
I'm pretty sure that was a trail. Yeah, that's a trail.
So I want to stay on the main trail since it's raining.
What's the main trail? This or that?
The wider road is the main trail.
Where we go that way last time?
Yeah.
Let's go this way then. You did?
That was the bad one that y'all did not like to go down that.
Alright, which one y'all want to do?
No, we went down that one.
We went down.
Yeah, we went down that way, Kai.
We went down there.
Yeah.
It's finna go back anyway. All it's gonna do is circle around and go back.
I just know she's, you know,
Which way? Left or right?
main. It looked like this one is the main one.
I mean, when it get wet, it ain't that much dirt. Man, listen, y'all. We just got caught in a hailstorm. The worst hailstorm ever, man. Check it out. I want y'all to check it out, man. Look. Look at that, man. Bruh, we was getting hit by this. We was getting hit by this. Man. Woo! Yo, crazy, man. We got caught in the worst storm ever.
Bro, it hurt so bad.
It literally felt like somebody was throwing bricks and rocks at you, man. Crazy. Crazy, crazy.
Oh my God, look at this.
Then this dude in front of us, they just stopped. They weren't even moving. They back there singing, living on a prayer. Bruh, this is crazy. Yeah, man, here we go. Woo! Crazy, man. Take y'all around here. Dang, look at it. Check it out. Man, we had to leave our side-by-sides. Four-wheelers. We just left everything, man. It's crazy. Look at that, man. All hell coming down. Man, your boy drenched, man. I'm drenched out here. Oh, man. Man, y'all. It's crazy. Woo! What you think? Man. Hey.
Y'all really did that?
Dude.
It was big, but then it got bigger.
Hey, we was, man, this dude just stopped right in front of us, man. They just stopped. They was like living on a prayer, man. They up there singing. They getting drunk. I'm like, dude, he was like, oh man, my fault. They was lit. They lit. They was living on a prayer. Man, they in there going off. We like, dude, move.
Hey, y'all don't get the bike, man. Y'all don't get the bike.
It ain't gonna start. So what?
The bike.
Because it ain't the gas. We cut it off, cut it back on. It just won't start.
Ours.
But she probably hit the button, man. She probably hit the power button.
I cut it off, cut it back on. The power off. The power button.
Power off.
Oh,
Yeah.
There's another
you
power
love your projector outside?
It's a yellow button.
Yellow button,
red button.
then the red button. Yeah. I'm hitting. I got them both regulating, and it is just not start. I don't know if it's the water. Get in the car. I don't know what it is.
Hey, ours slow down. It wouldn't go. Guess y'all's like, go faster. I'm like, I can't go.
The seatbelt on. You had the seatbelt on. The seatbelt gonna give you about the seatbelt you'll get about 15 to 20 miles. Yeah. You gotta have the seatbelt on.
I took it off. I had to go holler at dude now.
Yeah,
They was just sitting there, dog. They was sitting there.
It ain't gonna go. It's gonna go 15 miles an hour.
I just want you to get the hell.
Man, look at this, man. This is crazy. Look how built up around there.
I mean, that fast. Look at that hell.
It was worse than this. Looked like down
Yeah, it
there.
was bigger on the,
Yo,
there was some big pieces. Yeah, it hurt.
dude, we was getting popped. It was hitting y'all in the face. I'm like,
Crying.
bruh.
I'm like, oh my God. He said, I thought I was going to cry first. He said that.
Man, I was getting smacked in the face.
Oh my God.
It was crazy.
I'm freezing.
Woo!
Where's the fire? Somebody punch underneath.
Crazy, man. It's crazy, y'all. Look at that. You're wringing out your socks, man. Socks. Man. My boots there, man. My boots. TJ, man. What's up, TJ?
What's up?
Man, that's crazy, man.
I'm just gonna get the mic.